This is the Excel math support page for algebra equations with exponents. And I have a problem right up in front there, and we're going to solve that. First, I want to show you the data page where our data information comes from in the drop down. We have 1 through 0 and some top secret numbers there, and we have a number of blank pages or blank cells. If I have forgotten something, certainly I can go back, enter it in, and it will not change my work that I had to do, as you've seen in previous videos. I'm going to go on back to that page. Now I know that, and I might want to skip a line, but I'm going to work my problem through, and I know that we're going to solve for x here, and so today I'm going to punch a number in for y, because that's what you need to do, and I'm going to make y equal to 10, and that'll actually give me a number that works for me. And I'm just clicking on these cells and generating my problem. And again, we give our students a reduced set of numbers to work with, and we can maybe speed up the process. Oops, that didn't. And of course, if they make a mistake like I did, I can just go back and enter in a new number. It's not a big deal. If I were a student with some motor impairment, certainly I could enter these informations in by using my arrow keys and a combination of Alt and up and down arrow. I could enter these things in, and so I'm going to do that in my next section. I'm going to use my arrow keys to move up, Alt down arrow, and then I down arrow to the 2. Select it with enter, or click. Actually, select it with enter. That works a whole lot better. And I've already messed this one up. So bear with me while I get my act together. Let's try that Alt down arrow again. And of course, I think that's what my problem was. And I'm going to move over. And actually, I know that I made a mistake again, that this actually should be a equal sign, because I have already subtracted 10 from both sides. X squared is equal to 35. Actually, x squared is equal to 25 because I subtracted 10 from either side. And then of course, again, Alt and down arrow, arrow up to find my 5. Whoops, and sometimes I miss it. And then we work once more where we can come up with x equals, let's try Alt up arrow there. That didn't do a whole lot for me, but you get the idea. And of course we know the square root of 25 is 5. I got that much out of algebra. But this is a manner that we can engage our students with motor impairments in algebra and have them complete a problem. There we go. Thanks much, and check the site. You'll actually get links to these problems, or worksheets rather. Thanks much, and goodbye.